The parking brake warning light is a critical safety indicator that requires immediate attention when it appears on your dashboard. This distinctive red warning symbol appears when your vehicle's braking system detects a problem that needs your attention. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced braking performance and serious safety hazards. Low brake fluid is by far the most common cause, accounting for about 40% of all parking brake warning light cases. Other mechanical causes include worn brake pads, faulty parking brake switches or sensors, and stretched or damaged parking brake cables. Here you can see the difference between new and worn brake pads. Worn pads can trigger sensors that activate the warning light. Modern vehicles with electronic parking brakes face additional challenges, including motor actuator failures, calibration errors after battery replacement, and software glitches. Today's vehicles feature advanced diagnostic technologies, including OBD3 integration, wireless diagnostic tools, and AI-driven predictive maintenance systems. These diagnostic systems can pinpoint issues in complex brake components, like the proportioning valve assembly shown here. Remember, never ignore the parking brake warning light. Reduced braking performance creates serious safety hazards that put you and others at risk. When your parking brake warning light stays on, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll walk through 6 key steps to diagnose and reset the warning light safely and effectively. Step 1 is visual inspection. Start by checking your brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir. The fluid should be between the minimum and maximum marks and appear clean and clear. Step 2 involves using an OBD scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. Connect the scanner to your vehicle's OBD port, typically located under the dashboard near the steering column. Step 3 addresses brake fluid problems. If the fluid level is low, top it off with the correct brake fluid type. However, low fluid often indicates a leak somewhere in the system that needs attention. Step 4 covers electronic parking brake system resets. Many newer vehicles from 2024 and beyond offer reset options through the infotainment system menu. Look for brake system or vehicle settings options. Step 5 involves clearing the error codes and testing the system. Use your OBD scanner to clear stored codes, then test the parking brake operation to ensure the warning light stays off and the system functions correctly. Step 6 is knowing when to seek professional help. If the warning light persists after these steps, or if you're dealing with complex electronic parking brake issues, consult a qualified mechanic who has the proper diagnostic equipment and expertise. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will help you safely diagnose and resolve most parking brake warning light issues. Remember, when in doubt, professional diagnosis ensures your safety and prevents costly mistakes.